Hello there, it's Shirley from WTI, and you will love to hear about these thermal flags from the brand Contigo.
I love this flag because not only can I take it anywhere, whether in my backpack, purse, or to the beach, but it's also thermal. If I want to carry cool drinks, this flag is perfect because it keeps them cool for hours. Similarly, if I want to take my coffee or tea in the morning or afternoon, it keeps them hot for hours too. As you can see, this flag has a unique design and comes with automatic sealing technology to help not having any spills. I can place it anywhere with the assurance that nothing will spill if it falls. It has a lock that helps maintain both cold and hot temperatures, and it's super easy to clean. Plus, it has this button. When I press it, I can drink water without worrying about spills when I'm on the move.
And that's my point of view.